Hello everyone, and let's create data visualizations in Jira using ROVO AI Assistant. Jira has a set of impressive capabilities when it comes to structuring your work and helping you to progress with your projects. However, sometimes it's really hard to grasp everything at once, and for that, there are a lot of Jira reports available for you out of the box. So you could look at the data on the various angles just to perform the proper analysis and understand how your projects are doing. However, it could sometimes require quite a lot of time to go through all the reports and understand how the things are, especially in the bigger projects. How to resolve that trouble? Thanks to Atlassian, we do have now an Atlassian ROVO. Let's ask ROVO, what are the main goals of the sprint 2 in, let's make it more specific, in mobile sprint 2 in mobile dev, mobile cowboys. So with just a little of a waiting, which actually do not even interrupt our main work, we can still do something here. We will get a result showing us the main goals of this sprint. Okay, so what about the workload? We still could refer to some reports in Jira to get the data. For instance, the workload report per user. And here we will need to select the user and we will only able to see that report for a single user. For instance, Alana Grant. Okay, no unresolved. That's strange, but okay. Or we could see the by report by assignees showing time spent or the certain, unfortunately no data is available here. But instead of this limited report, what we can do is ask ROVO again about the workload. So let's return to the same chart and ask ROVO. Hey ROVO, the workload distribution in mobile sprint 2 across the assignees. Okay, we can even view the workload distribution using the story points report. Let's ask it to provide a workload distribution by issues assigned per person. We can always have some mistakes, whatever, in grammar. LLMs can, okay. So the workload assigned for the users by assignees or mobile sprint 2 is presented like that. Let's have it opened. Here it is. Sometimes that data is unfortunately not correct because if we will compare the results here, administrator 2 issues, Helena Gant 9 issues, Mage Davis 10 issues. With the actual results, we will see that results are not quite accurate. So it could happen And in our next videos, we'll explain you how to minimize the impact of such situations. Now let's have a look if the story point estimations are correct. So it says that Mitch Davis has 24 story points, Alana Granton 21, and administrator 8 story points. If we will have a look here in our report builder, we will see that for Mobile Sprint 2, let's highlight it. For Mobile Sprint 2, Mitch Davis has 47 story points, Anna Grant 18 story points, Administrator 8 story point. So it is not even close for the data shown here. So be always careful when you use the results generated by AI. And that's it of today. Thank you. Subscribe and learn about Actonic Report Builder.